Hey there. It's a nice, gorgeous, sunny day here in the great Northwest, and I am doing something really easy and simple today. Really refreshing, delicious, for the adults only. Limoncello Arnold Palmers. So if you've never had an Arnold Palmer, maybe you have or have not, it is basically half iced tea, half lemonade. In this case, the lemonade is going to be coming from limoncello, which is like an Italian spirit. It's really simple. Actually, if I think about it, below the video, I always put the recipe below the video. I will put the information in for how you, probably my favorite website that I've seen. I've kind of did a little research on how to make it, and I'll link that for you guys. So you can check that out if you want to make your own, or you can go buy it. And then some sparkling lemonade and just iced tea. It's so simple. Let's go. This is going to go so fast, so you want to pay attention. A pitcher. 3 cups of brewed iced tea of your choice. I just did a black tea, but I did decaffeinated tea. Little pro tip. You're not trying to drink this so that you can have a caffeine fix. Maybe you are. In that case, use caffeinated. But I do decaffeinated so that if you're having this as an afternoon or evening cocktail, and if you're caffeine sensitive, then you're not going to be affected. So 3 cups of that's going to go in here. Oh, I knew it would make a mess. Oh well, I'll clean that up later. So 3 cups, hopefully you have a better pouring spigot than I do, of iced tea, ready to roll. And then you guys, this is the limoncello. We have some friends who went to Italy and brought this back to us. Thanks, Peabody's. And so it's 1.5 cups of that. I'm gonna be a little bit short, if that's okay. Sadly, it's the last of the limoncello. Okay, hopefully I'm not gonna spill this. I'm gonna go nice and slow. So limoncello, you guys, it's sweet. And apparently, I've never actually spent any time in Italy, but I guess they serve it a lot after dinner as like a little sipping liqueur. And then, oh, I keep putting this to the side. I forgot one more, sparkling lemonade. I got mine at Trader Joe's. You don't have to do sparkling, but I think it gives it that nice little kind of bubble. This is a really light alcohol drink. It's not super strong at all. And the original recipe I saw from this came from Giada De Laurentiis, her little page, Giazzi. And she does just 1.5 cups. I'm doing more like 2 cups. I felt like it was a better mix the first time I tried it to do a little bit more lemonade. So that's me. Just cooking, oh good. I just need to pour slow. I was pouring too fast. So sparkling lemonade, you guys. And that is it. It's so fun. So I'm gonna give it just a quick little stir. And I've already got my glass with ice. So I have some mint that I added to my tea that's still hanging out here. I'm gonna pull that out because I like a little mint flavor. So that's one of the next thing I was gonna mention. You could do a little variation on this and put some mint in your tea while it's hot, and then as it cools, we'll kind of infuse that. Sorry, big airplane going over our house right now. So you guys, this is it. Cool, refreshing, delicious. Not too boozy. I think it's a great alternative for, you know, having a little summer cocktail, but just maybe a little something fun. I just took a little lemon wedge, cut it just through like to the center, and then some fresh mint sprigs. Here, I'll turn it around so y'all can see. Look at that. Cheers, everybody. Happy summer. Enjoy limoncello. Oh yeah, yum. Little sparkle. Nice tea flavor, a little sweet. It's not too boozy, like I said. You could jack up the booze if you wanted with some citrus vodka or something, but you guys, we gotta give this one a try. Delight of the bite. Subscribe, share, tell your friends that I'm here. Thanks for watching, and cheers to you. Happy summer.